This story is about a little kid who dreamed of going on a dreamland. Once upon a time, Bendy was walking with no legs. It's just a lovely day. I have no legs. Don't judge me. He was just chilling until Tattletail came. Aye. He flipped over. Tattletail's gonna stab him. He was like, ugh! Quickly went away. And Tattletail was chilling with Bendy with no legs, just chilling with the cat over there. Until Bendy was walking again with no legs. Don't judge me! Then he saw something very cute. Aw, little Tattletail. Then Mama bust in! Ah! What is that? Tattletail quickly won. The mama was chasing him. He had nowhere to go. He was don't bite me. After that, he was stuck. Dun dun dun. Please don't eat me. I'm too young to die. You could take my ink machine, but don't take me. Mama was too. He looked at the camera. You are dead. Then, with no legs, he quickly spazzed out with Tattletail was laughing at him. Hee hee hee. Tattletail was not good. Now the story begins. It's just a lovely day. Ee. What was that? Ow, hee. Ow, hee. I don't know what ow, hee means. Ha! I need to go find out what that is. What are you? Are you a Furby? Me, Tattletail. It's a Tattletail, everybody. Kiss me. Oh, you're a Tattletail, say? Ee. I don't even know what a Tattletail is. I know what a Furby is, but not a Tattletail. But you're so cute. Can I keep you? Go away, Mama. What do you mean, Mama? Who's Mama? I don't know who Mama is. I need to go tell Boris this. Boris! Ee. Mama's looking after you. Ee. Ah! Huh? Oh, sorry, Tattletail. Bendy's no good. Why are you saying go away, Mama? Mama has a knife. What do you mean? He's biting me! Quick, Tattletail, save your life! Tattletail, run! Tattletail jumps cliff. What? Get off of me! Tattletail, no, don't crop cliff. Tattletail, die. No! Tattletail don't like you. Why does no one like Bendy? Me, Tattletail. Me see you. I think we lost Mama. Do you think so, Tattletail? That's my tail. Don't act like it's appropriate thing. Oh no, Mama's coming. We need to. Let's go. He just ran near us. Quickly, come with me, Tattletail. Hide underneath here. It's safe. Just get under there. Come to Mama. Oh, yeah, there's one way to destroy Mama. We need to sacrifice her. Me, Tattletail say no. We're making a party for Mama. Come help us. Party say? What kind of party we're having? Party for Mama. Oh. Oops. Let me set up the party for you. Jeez. Anyways. So we got up the party. No more Mama. No more Mama. That's it? We just say no more Mama? Okay. No more biscuit. Oops. No more biscotti. No more Mama. No more Mama. No more Mama. No more Mama. No. We destroyed her. Let's dance.